画龙点睛，画 to draw, 龙 dragon, 点 dot, 睛 eyes. The story behind this Chinese idiom goes like this. In ancient times, there was a famous artist named Zhang Shenyao. He was good at painting dragons. One day, the emperor asked him to draw 4 golden dragons on the walls of the temple. Zhang Shenyao painted very quickly and he just spent 3 days to finish his work. The 4 golden dragons were particularly well painted. When people looked at the 4 golden dragons he painted, they all said that the dragons he drew looked like real dragons. However, when they walked closer and saw, they would notice that the 4 dragons had no eyes. People asked him, "Why don't you draw the eyes?" He said, "It's not difficult to draw the eyes, but if I paint the eyes, these dragons will fly away." When everyone heard it, no one believed him. They thought he was just lying. It's just too strange. How could the dragon painting on the wall fly away? Later, more and more people asked him to draw the dragon's eyes. So Zhang Shenyao had to agree to draw the eyes. When he drew the eyes of the first dragon, nothing happened. But when he drew the eyes of the second dragon, strange things happened. Suddenly, the wind was blowing, the clouds were dark, the thunder was rumbling. The 2 golden dragons that had their eyes drew, turned their eyes, bared their fangs and claws, and they flew into the sky. Soon after, the sky became clear. Everyone was so scared that they couldn't say a word. They looked at the wall, and the 2 dragons that had flown away were gone, leaving only the golden dragons without eyes.